Hi, I'm Leon Taylor, performance and wellness coach, and today let's look at relationship stress and how our attachment style contributes to this, particularly in our close or romantic relationships. There's tons of research out there that show that good quality relationships boost our health and our happiness, and of course the opposite is true, that stressful relationships are detrimental to our well-being. So our success in our close or romantic relationships is influenced by a number of factors. One that plays a huge role is the way that we naturally attach to others. This is known as attachment theory, and in the article, the link is below, we go into a much deeper explanation, so please check that out. So in short, psychologists tell us that we are all wired for connection, but whether we make secure connections or not often depends on our childhood experiences. They tend to categorize this into three categories: secure attachment, avoidant attachment, or anxious attachment types. So secure is where we're able to form healthy, safe relationships with others. And anxious and avoidant types to demonstrate a variety of behaviors that can hinder the development of secure relationships. The good news is that attachment styles are not static, and if you can move towards more of a secure attachment style, you'll be happier, less likely to become depressed, and of course it's less stressful. So how can we start to develop the characteristics of a securely attached individual and reduce our relationship stress? Well, I've got 3 steps for you to follow. The first is know thyself and then know others. So notice how you behave in different contexts, through familial, friend to close relationships. Do you start to fall into any of the extremes of anxious or avoidant? And then start to notice others and notice your reactions. So for example, if someone starts acting in an anxious way, does that automatically cause you to become avoidant, or vice versa? The second step is change thyself and the world changes with you. So the goal is to move towards more of a secure attachment style. So if you notice that you're displaying more anxious type tendencies, then focus on a positive self-image. Start to do things that fill you with more joy and excitement, and really pay attention to self-care. If alternatively you notice avoidant type tendencies, then start to focus on doing things for other people. Maybe do some volunteering, and this way you can start to open up a bit more and increase your empathy. And the third is communicate. Every relationship involves 2 people, so clear, open and constructive communication can ensure both parties can connect with each other in a secure way. Now, these conversations might seem difficult at first, but they can certainly be the saviour of any relationship. So I hope these 3 steps allow you to move more towards less stressful relationships. Please do read the articles. There's so much more information there. Check out the rest of the videos in the How to Deal with Stress series. Share, subscribe if you haven't already. And finally, please look after yourselves and look out for each other.